Coming up, Matrox Graphics, their new video distribution over IP solution, and video wall products at Digital Signage Expo 2013. Please welcome Samuel Racine, Director of Sales, Americas and Asia Pacific. You're watching YBL TV. Samuel, customers want high-quality, low-bandwidth video delivered anytime, anywhere. How does your encode-decode platform provide this environment for them?
Well, for starters, our platform provides H.264 encoding on any DVI or HDMI source. We will compress the source into H.264 at full 1080p resolution and at a full refresh rate of 60 Hz. And we'll put it out over standard IP. So this can work on standard local area networks, and it can be decoded as a result of that by two different types of devices, either dedicated hardware decode appliances or any PC or laptop or tablet or device that could decode with enough decode power a H.264 stream. So it's extremely flexible in terms of how it can be viewed in multiple different sources all at one time.
Let's take a look at the encoder.
So this is the encoder here. At the back of this little box is a network connection for putting the signal out over the network, and there's a HDMI connection port on the device that allows us to capture DVI or HDMI. And we also have an audio jack so that we could capture DVI and audio separately for people that want to be capturing video and audio simultaneously. So the device supports both audio and video. So
we've got some Art Beats footage behind us. Looks really good, right?
Yes, this footage was created from one of our content partners, and what we're doing here is showing the source in uncompressed format, and we're showing the compressed format so that we can demonstrate the quality after we've converted the stream into a network format. So this is with compression. As you can see, there's a minor latency between the raw footage and the compressed over IP footage, but once it's being decoded, you're getting here full resolution at 1080p at 60 Hz, and as you can see, the quality is extremely good.
So I understand that the open encoding allows for software-based decoding on non-Mavics devices, right?
That's right. So this device is the hardware-based decoding, and to your question, this here is the device demonstrating that we can decode in software. What we've done to demonstrate the software-based decoding here is we downloaded a free software called VLC Media Player, and we connected to the IP address of our encoder, and as soon as we did that, we've been decoding the streaming source in software.
Tell us about the Matrox Mura. I understand it's running on Windows.
Yeah, the Matrox Mura is a line of video wall controller boards, and it is designed to work in PC-based platforms running on Windows. And the technology is designed to work with captured sources. So we ingest any type of directly captured source, whether it's a Blu-ray player or a television feed from a Comcast box or something like that, or a PC or a laptop. Or we can take streaming network feeds and decode them on boxes like our Mavics and use the HDMI output as a source into our Mura. And what the Mura will then do is allow us to manipulate the captured streams on a video wall. So the Mura has, first of all, the capability of supporting many outputs, so we can build very big walls. The demo here is just a small wall of 4 monitors, but we can go up to 54 displays with the Mura technology. And anything being captured into the Mura is something that we can then manipulate. We could scale the sources, we could overlap the sources and do picture-in-picture, and we could even add effects on some of the captured sources. Up here, for example, what you're seeing is a cloud shape with a direct live capture in the cloud shape. So we're basically applying the effect here of running live video in a non-rectangular shape. Other effects include using alpha blending and transparency, so we can have live television or other captured sources slowly fading into some type of other view, like an advertisement.
What's the most essential, important building block for any video wall, in your opinion, then?
There's many different video walls for many different purposes, and there's no perfect video wall that suits all applications. So this type of video wall, the most important thing is the performance between inputs and outputs. So we've optimized the technology for that. Very, very high performance for captured sources displayed on many outputs. We're able to scale the sources and sustain performance even when scaled across many displays, and we can support many, many inputs displayed on many, many outputs. Other types of video walls have different applications and are tuned differently.